Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also throw in bonus videos throughout the week. And with that being said, you all, I am here to do a review. My Louis Vuitton 6 key ring holder. If the deets on that 6 key ring holder, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on my subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. Then we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here review. Pause. Before we get into this review, I want to share something from Rose Forever. Send this to me, you all, because Mother's Day is coming. I'm not sure if this video is going to go up before Mother's Day or after Mother's Day, but if it go up a day or two after, you still can purchase these particular flowers because you got graduations, birthdays, just because, or whatever. And of course, y'all know I love to share things that I actually love. I did work with this particular company before. They sent me, I want to say, a total of 4 different rose sets. Here I had 2 more. These here I had for over a year, you all, and I'm just showing them because I wanted you to see how they still look like they were just purchased the other day. Now the smell is not as strong as it was when I first got it, but if you like put your nose up to it, you can smell a hint of roses. You all, like, look how beautiful my flowers are. Like, they still going, and they say they last up to a year. Like I said, this has been over a year. I think a year is this month, because these were, I don't know if this was Mother's Day or breast cancer, I'm not sure. Here, and look, y'all, they still going strong. Like, these here flowers are so freaking beautiful. Like, oh my gosh. I did just get them in the mail, and today is, what's today? Today is May 10th, and Mother's Day is on Sunday. So I'm gonna try to get these up before Mother's Day, but I'm sorry. I wish they could have sent them a lot earlier, because y'all, when y'all see these flowers, y'all gonna be like, oh my gosh, Miss Tamika. But even if you have to get them late, they still are worth it, in my opinion. Pick the big bouquet of flowers because I already have a set. To try something different, you all, I will link their information down below. I have a discount code for you all. Don't quote me on that, but I do think I have a discount code, and I will also leave that on the screen, because anytime I work with any type of brand, I always like to have a discount code for you all, because I know y'all like me, y'all want to save some coins. So just keep in mind, if you can't get these before Mother's Day, sue me from me gift if you can't get nobody to buy them, because oh my gosh, you all, at the presentation, you all, I am already blown away. Like, oh my gosh, like, oh my gosh, I am so happy I picked this, because picking the flowers that have the acrylic box at the bottom, like the acrylic drawer, because like I said, I had about 3 of the little boxes, or the little cute little velvet boxes. I was like, let me try something different. Guys, you all, look at this. Oh my goodness. And I got red roses because I had red roses. I had pink, white, and yellow. So let me get some red roses this time, because if y'all don't know, I love roses, flowers. I love all of that kind of stuff. Like, I'm that person. Like, I have a plant that I call Justin and Miss Lucy, and they both are doing fine because I had to repot them. I had to get some dirt, Miracle Grow or something. Like, again, I'm not a professional. I'm still learning as I go. This particular brand reached out to me. I already was looking into this particular brand anyway, because like I said, I love flowers. And I was buying my flowers from Trader Joe's and Publix, but I stopped buying them because they do die after, what, like a week? And with these, they don't die at all. They smell like roses. Like, look how beautiful this is, you all. Like, oh my gosh, this camera is not doing this any justice. I do have like a drawer. I do plan to put this somewhere in my beauty area. It's not that big, but I'm gonna try to figure something out, because this is too pretty. Like, I plan to put maybe my cute makeup in this, and it's a really good size, if you can see. You can put like your makeup brushes, put makeup in here, or you could put other things in here. It don't necessarily have to be makeup. Like, you could just put anything you want in here. The fact that it has the top, so So if for whatever reason you want to store things on the top and, you know, cover your flowers, you can do so, just to keep them protected. They don't have a smell to the point where if you're sensitive to smell, it's gonna drive you crazy. It's just like a slight smell, then overpowering, because I have some people that's sensitive to smells. Do anything with these. You don't have to water them, you don't have to put them in the sun, you don't have to do nothing but just find somewhere cute for these to go. So again, you all, these here are from Rose Forever. I will link these down below. I'm telling you all, I know it's probably going to be after Mother's Day or you. I highly recommend purchasing yourself some flowers, or get your husband to watch my video and purchase you some flowers. So again, I will leave my discount code across the screen. If I forget to leave it across the screen, please pull down the description boxes. All the details regarding this particular item will be down below, and I will also link their website just in case you want something, you know, maybe you might want something like this or even bigger, because like I said, they have some that's even bigger, but I really don't have the space for nothing bigger at the moment. So I was like, I can, you know, use. Now on to the review. So like I said, I did do a review on this here key ring. Well, I did an unboxing, and I did ended up keeping it. Well, I never said I wasn't going to keep it, but I'm just letting y'all know I do still have this in my collection. Reason why I wanted to share this particular review was because of the fact that as you can see, my key fob is really big, you all. And mention I did get this here key case off of Amazon, and I will try and link this down below. What I probably would do is link my actual Amazon store, and I think I have a card section, so just click the card section and everything that I have for my particular card would be under the card section, including this here key fob. If you have this particular card, all you have to do is type the card you have and your particular key fob cover will come up. Ended up doing was, because like I said, it could fit, but I just didn't like the way the case was looking once I closed it. It felt forced. So what I did was this here little extender piece. I was looking for the little chain. I'm not sure if you know about the chain that's like on a fan, and you know how they got that little chain where it got the little ball and you can push it in a little thing. I was looking for that, but I haven't gotten around to like a Lowe's or a Home Depot, and I forgot where I got this from. It was I had attached it to the actual key ring here, and then I attached it to the Louis Vuitton. So now it hangs down at the bottom. So when I carry it like this. Which means you can take it off, and I'll show you. You can take it off and just have just the key fob, but I actually like having this attached to this, because like when I valet my car, I did have to take my car in to get I had to get a backlight replaced. So since my car was still under warranty, I took it into the dealership. So instead of handing them my whole Louis Vuitton wallet, I just detached the key and I just attached it like so. Just handed him my keys instead of handing him, you know, this. Because at first I was like, oh my gosh, what I'm gonna do? Like, you know, because that was my first time ever handing my keys over to anybody. I valet my car like that. Every so often I may valet my car. Like I used to valet my old car too when I would go to Lenox Mall. I don't valet my car like that because, you know, when I go to Lenox Mall, like I said, I usually go during the day, not the weekends anymore. I hand him my key and I was like, okay, Tamika. Then I was like, duh, just attach the goddamn key, Tamika. Key, and I was like, okay, I like that. So I do have my rewards on here, like my reward things on here. I have my my beauty store reward card. I have my Kroger, the library, and IKEA. And I have my gym key fob right here. So all you do is tap and the door open. And my house key, like I said, I did get a key that looks like a house. And then I only have one card behind here. This here is my Nordstrom Visa card. I also have the paperwork that goes with the key, the 6 key ring holder. And if I didn't mention, the inside color is fuchsia. And this here is Louis Vuitton made in Paris. No, I was bringing this back into my collection because if I didn't mention, or if y'all didn't watch the unboxing, I did have this key ring before and I got rid of it. And of course, I told myself once I get a key fob, I was gonna buy myself a new one, and I'm glad I did. I was looking for the light pink, but I know it's going to show wear because these here sides are going to bend up. It's probably going to show wear on the inside. I'm aware of all of that. So wanted this here Louis Vuitton 6 key ring holder. Like, I don't know, I just wanted it back in my collection. I will say that's one item I do regret selling. Y'all know I did have the Gucci one, but I did get rid of that. The Gucci one was just a little too small for me. I do like the Gucci, but it was just a little too small. Like, if you're a person like myself that like to carry cards, I highly recommend the Louis Vuitton. But if you like, look, Miss Tamika, I don't need to carry cards, I just need a few keys and I'm good, then I would recommend the Gucci. I think the Gucci is a little cheaper, not that much cheaper, but it is a little cheaper. And the thing with the Gucci, like I said, you can't put nothing in it. Like with this, you can at least carry your driver's license and a major credit card back here. But not sure about this. If you're not sure about this particular item, I highly recommend this. Now, they do have the key clay, and I do like the key clay, but the only thing with the key clay is the fact that it just hangs really low. I didn't like the way it was made. Like, the stitching was like really light for me, so I did return that key clay, and I ended up with this. The key clay, the only difference is you can carry coins, and you know, I think that, yeah, the only difference is you can carry coins, because this here you can also carry cards. You can carry more than one card, but like I said, I just carry just the one card in here. You could probably carry up to like 3 or 4 cards, maybe 5. I just wish I could fit this in here. It's okay, because like I said, I like the way I have the attachment here, because I did have it this way, but I don't know, I felt like having it hang this way, it would eventually wear down on this here hook. So I wanted the hook to just like lay flat like so. So now when it hangs, it's not pulling but so much, if you get what I'm saying. Because like here, I feel like it would be pulling this way versus just pulling down. So I hope that makes sense. So yeah, and all I do is just close it. And then I carry it like this. And I just go about my business. Sometimes I'll carry this by itself. Only thing with this, I don't never have to really take this out of my bag. Only time I have to take this out is when I lock my door. That's why I wish I had like a keyless door entry or something like that, because I don't normally have to take this out my bag, because I can just open my door. As long as this is on my body, my door will open. I'm leaving, I do have to lock my door, so I'll just pull my key out like so, and I'll go and just, you know, lock my door, and then, you know, put her back and then close it. But if I'm with my daughter, I'm like, Jemiah, bring your keys. I don't have to take my keys, because sometimes I'm bringing like a small bag or something. Like, what bag was I carrying? Oh, it's not in here. I'm carrying a small bag. Sometimes I'm trying to go in your bag, grab the keys up. It's just sometimes a little too much. So sometimes I'm like, Jemiah, can you use your keys to open the door? Doing a car tour sometime soon. I just haven't gotten around to filming a car tour. But now, since the weather is like warm again, because before, I don't know what was going on, honey, because we had bipolar weather. It was hot one day, cold the next, or whatever. So I think right now the weather is going to stay warm. It's not going to go back in the 40s and the 30s or 40s. So pretty soon I will be doing a car tour. Make sure you click on that description box for the details as far as the flowers, because like I said, by the time I post this video, Mother's Day is going to already be over. But I still wanted to share, because we do have graduation coming up. We have birthdays and things like so. So if you have anybody that's graduating, oh my gosh, you all coming in with something like that, like for real. So I'm going to just show you really quick again. If you're looking for something like this, it's really cute, and I like the velvet texture on this. And I usually leave this on my nightstand. You all, I hope y'all enjoyed this review. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, y'all, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you can be what? notified each week. That's right, y'all. Each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later.